Our Pure implementation experience has been largely positive. It started off at our institution as really a pilot project. We knew that we needed to move aggressively and have a robust implementation in place. I would say that the support that we received from the implementation team at Elsevier was quite good. Our institution handled the rollout of Pure to our end users. As it was a pilot project, again, we knew that we needed to hit the ground running. We had sponsorship from a couple of organizations within our institution, and I believe that we signed up for a one-year pilot plan. What we knew we needed to do was have things that we could present to the users right out of the gate. One of the ways that we have encouraged our researchers to adopt this platform was by minimizing the amount of interaction they had to have with it to get their content into the platform. Pure has a lot of wonderful ways for getting content into the system. I would say that the people at our university that use Pure are a pretty diverse set of individuals. We have groups like the Office of Technology Management. We have individual schools and departments that like to leverage it for populating research outputs onto their websites. We have people that want to run reports, so the uses are quite broad. Our implementation at the university and the approach that we took to getting our faculty in and requiring minimal interaction from them. We at the university started a strategic plan recently that involved digital transformation. And one of the components of that was to make a university-wide research profiling system.